In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when you're not able to see stories on Snapchat. So this problem can be happening for one of many reasons, and I'll discuss them in this video. But the main issue that might be causing this is that you're connected to a bad internet connection, whether that be Wi-Fi or mobile data. So in my case, on my phone, on an Android phone, I just swipe down from the top of my screen to go to my control panel. And it's a similar process on an iPhone. And then you just want to check. If you're on a Wi-Fi connection, I suggest that you switch off the Wi-Fi connection and then go onto a mobile data connection and then see if that fixes the problem. And if you're on a mobile data connection that is not the strongest, turn that off and then switch to the Wi-Fi. Now, if you have your mobile data on, sometimes you have run out of mobile data, which can be causing the issue as well, because not everybody has an unlimited mobile data plan. So make sure you actually have data on your phone before you use mobile data. And then 9 times out of 10, if you sort out the internet issue from within your phone, then you'll be able to sort out the stories issue on Snapchat. And you can test if your Snapchat is working properly by just opening up like YouTube app and then playing a video real quick. If it plays with no issues, then you know your internet is just fine. And then you can go back into Snapchat and the stories should be able to load up correctly once you've connected to a strong signal. Now, if that still didn't fix the issue, then probably it's going to be a bug within Snapchat. And what you'll need to do in this situation is update your Snapchat app. So on my phone, I go to the Google Play Store, go to the Apple App Store on an iPhone, then in the search bar, just search for Snapchat and then hit search. And then if it does say update, then you want to make sure that you download the update and install the update and then go back into Snapchat. It'll just say open again when it's done updating and everything like that. Then you just tap on open and you can see if the stories appear after you've done that. And if it's still not working after you've checked your internet connection and after you've updated your app, you can also just close out of the Snapchat app by just swiping up from the screen and then going into the Snapchat app again. But if it's still not working after all that, then you want to make sure that Snapchat isn't in fact down, because sometimes social media apps can go down. You can make sure of this if you go to YouTube and search is Snapchat down. You'll see lots of videos talking about it, and just check the date on the videos. If there are lots of videos that are recent saying that Snapchat's down, then you know that that is the problem, and you'll just have to wait a couple of hours, 2 to 4 hours max, and wait for them to fix the issue. You can also check the Snapchat Twitter feed, and then they will be able to tell you if there is in fact an outage on Snapchat. So I hope these tips helped you out. If they did, drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.